Alright, this is a quick review for the EDIFOLLY cooling fan. So as you can see, rotates nicely. It does have that 70 degrees like they said. And it's very smooth. It's like a little motor in there. And it's like a very smooth motion. It's nice. It's got a bunch of functions here. On off is just a whole on off. Then you've got 4 different fan strength. Yeah. 3. Oops. I turned the fan off. 1. I got 2. 3. And then 4 is the highest. Of course, makes the most noise. Even at 1, it's still nice and cool because of the water tank that you can fill. Now you've got the motion thing, and it's nice because it will display on here that it is pivoting. So this little symbol here means the water is dropping in, and the little ice cube, so this is off. I mean, there's water there. So if you try to turn on the ice cube mode, like the water mode, and there's no water in the tank, it won't work. It'll just stay off. So it does detect when it's out of water. And there's 3 different levels of like water use. It does take about a minute or 2 before you notice that the air is really cooler, but it does make a big difference. It's just like slowly dropping in a little bit of water into the fan, and that's just kind of, you don't feel any wet, like it's not moist or anything, but you do kind of feel it cool down noticeably after about 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes at most. And then you even have a timer. You can put it up to 8 hours or just off, and you've got a little LED light. So it only has one light color, it's blue. There's also like a nice little handle here you can carry it with. It's very light, but it's heavy enough that it won't, the base is still heavy enough that it's stable. It does come with a cable, but it does not come with the power brick, so you will need a USB power brick to power it, but it just needs the very little 5-volt one. It doesn't need a newer, higher voltage one. So yeah, it's great, and it does exactly what it needs to, and it cools it off. Like even if you have AC, these are great if you put them near where the vent goes, and even with the water, it cools it off even more. Uses almost no electricity, so it's great. And the whole product works great, and the build quality is pretty good. Nothing flimsy, like I wouldn't smash it on the ground or anything, but the base, the motor, I was impressed with the smoothness of the motor, because if you get those Walmart oscillating fans, you'll know they're not great, but this is a very smooth motor for oscillating, and at the 1 fan setting, it's really nice and quiet. At 4, it's obviously more cooling.
Hi, welcome to my review of this air cooler fan. Just going to show you the box. This is a nice little fan with a compact design. In my office it gets quite hot in the summer, and I don't want to have a loud air conditioner. So with that, I can have something that is close. You need to have it close to you to feel the cooling effect. It's not going to be it's not going to replace air conditioner or a big fan. You can power it by a power bank if you like, but I'm going to do it with this hub here, and this is a USB-C to USB-A here. Okay, now you can see the backlit design. This is touch control. I'm going to power it on. And you have 4 level. I find it quiet. Going back at 1. You have oscillation of 70 degrees. Only horizontal oscillation, no vertical. Go slowly. Stop it. You have this little strap to carry it around. And here you have the mist. So you put water in the tank. There's a tank on top here. Your little spill. And then you push this button here. It's going to give you a small mist. And because of the water on top and the mist, the air that's going to be blown out is going to be cooler. It does make an effect. It's not dramatic. And if you put ice, it's going to do a bigger effect. And you have a timer and you have a light on top. Show you the light. Looks good. Simple to operate. Don't expect too much cooling air, but if you want something that don't make a lot of noise, that you can put next to you into your office to have something quiet to cool you down, this will fit the bill. So I like it. I do recommend it, and I'm going to show it just to show you the back, the side, the other side. Look, look, look. Now it is closed. So that was my review. I do recommend it. Thank you. Bye-bye.